Hey everyone. So a lot of you may watch Tammy Anderson. So she's got this new pour that she's doing on YouTube and it's called the River Pour. So I watched her create two beautiful paintings. So I told her I'll give it a go. So today that's what we're going to do. So what we're going to do is build a river of color and surround it with black. And we'll be using the airbrush. I'm not going to use the hair dryer. I'm going to use the airbrush to blend my colors. So I just need a little river through here. I may want to bring that out a little farther. I definitely want it to go over the edges. So this might be a little bit longer video than what you're used to, so just bear with me. So I love the way hers came out. And of course you can go back after it's dry and embellish this with stones and glitter, and you can resin it. So I thought that's probably what I would do. Not sure yet. So what you're going to do is lay down a base of color. And I'm using quinacridone rose because I'm using black on the side, so I wanted something a little brighter. She did one that had like a, I believe it was a pink flash. It was beautiful. So I'll link Tammy's channel down below so you can check out her river pours. Okay, so now that I have that on there, now I'm just going to be placing some color. So this is the burgundy that I mixed. This is a custom mix with red and blue. And then to that I'm going to add some bronze. They're kind of little puddle pours. And then I'll do some raspberry flash. And some gold. Doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to move it around. But this is a nice way to sit down and actually paint because I am sitting for this, so. And me coming off this cold or whatever I have, it feels good to actually sit down and paint. Oops, I think I want some more gold in there. I do have some really pretty gold stones that I could put around the edges. Alright, let's mix it up and see what happens. So right now I'm just going to push this pink over and then I can push it out. I love to watch Tammy create. She's just so creative. She has got so many ideas in her little head. She takes it outside of the box for sure. She works with resin and acrylics, and It's just fun to watch her. I think we might need some more of my little dark mix in there. Looks good. There's not like a ton of paint floating. I don't want any definite puddles of dark color. Okay, so then let me turn this around so I can make sure I have my edge over here. I do. I know if I blow this with a hairdryer, it's just going to be too much force. I wanted to try it with an airbrush because a lot of my girls don't have hair dryers. A lot of my girls have airbrushes. That's pretty. And I think it'll be beautiful with gold stones on the side. So now I'm just going to take some black. I put base paint in a squirt bottle. So this should be dry when I get back from my trip to New York, and I can play with it some more. Wipe my spatula off here. So this is a nice little something different to do with your acrylic pouring paint. This black does not have silicone in it, so, but these paints do. Once I get this all connected here, then I will smooth it out. So this should dry flat. See, Tammy, I told you I would give it a go. I'm going to turn this around and do the other side since I'm right-handed. And then I can get my edge here. I may have to add a little more black, but we'll see. It's very quiet at my house today. And it's weird because the kids are out of school and nobody's outside. It's not that hot out. I'm looking forward to the break in New York with the cooler weather, but then we come home and it's like, oh, it's so hot here. The humidity here is so different. It's fun to watch the temperature guide in the car go from like 70 to 90 something as you get closer and closer to the Carolinas. Now I might push this out a little bit more. I'm getting some great effect on this side. That's why I want to just, I'm not going to airbrush it out. I'm just pushing it over. So I think that looks pretty cool. Let me flip it around one more time. Make sure I got my edges. So yeah, this was fun, something different to do. I can sit down and relax and paint. But I think I'm happy with that center. I might want to blow just a little bit more. I just got black paint all over my bottles. Not good, guys, not good. So when I put the stones on, I'll have little areas. Yeah, that'll be pretty. Oops, didn't mean to blow that one that far. So I'm just gonna go over this black. It will pop the air bubbles for me without moving it. And then I'll give it a quick torch. And that's going to be it. And this is our river pour. So thanks, Tammy, for the idea. Get everybody else to try it. We'll be all set. I'll start a new trend on YouTube. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Check out all the links below. Subscribe if you haven't. Click on the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. But that's going to be it for this one. And we'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.